everyone, how are you today? And welcome to today's experiment. So today we're going to look at things that mix and things that dissolve together. So we have water, vinegar and oil and 2 plates. And what we're going to see is which 2 things mix together and which 2 things do not. Okay? So, first I'm going to add water into 1. I'm going to do it just about a little bit, just about that much. And then I'm going to add oil in the other one. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so I have oil, water. I'm going to add vinegar to both. But one of these will dissolve with the vinegar and one will not. Which one do you think will not? And which one do you think will? Wow. Okay, well keep your answers in your head. Here we go. So I'm going to just add a little bit of vinegar. And we're going to add a little bit of vinegar here. Oh, so here we can see the vinegar is in there together. And here we can see that the vinegar is left to the side. And all together, it is not mixing with the oil. Can we see? Even though we try and mix it, it stays there. So shall we see like a little bit more? So we're going to just add a little bit more oil. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to do a little bit more. There we go. It stays in little balls. Whereas in this one, doesn't. Wow. That's cool. Well, this dissolves, this doesn't stay in little balls. Well, thank you so much for listening and watching our experiment. I would love to see you guys have a go doing this. Well, thank you so much and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.